Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our height in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that you can do this from your mobile device as well. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Guys, do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now from here, what we want to do is simply go to our profile. The button's right here at the very bottom right, simply click on it. Then this will open up. That's your profile. From here, what we want to do is simply edit our details. So let's go to edit profile. The button's right here at the very top right. Once you're in this page, simply scroll down till you see something like height. Right here, as you can see, there's the height tab. Simply click on this tab right here and something like this will open up. It's giving you two options to change your height from right here, or simply select I'd rather not say. Well, I'm simply gonna change my height, and once everything's okay, I'm simply gonna click on this tick button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we change your height in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.